Now here see, last time you are completed the practice set number 32 and 33. Now here our next part is our subtraction of our algebraic expression. See here in the previous one, that time you are done the addition. Now here you want to do the subtraction of this one. And here I am showing one example. See here they are given the example that is 18 minus 7. You know it. How will we get the answer here? 18 minus 7 will get here 11. Now here 9x minus 4x. Here when you are doing the subtraction we have to, or when you are adding the subtraction, that time we have to add or subtract the terms. Okay, whatever they are given the number, no coefficient. See here 9 minus 4 will come here 5, and here x will become as it is x. Then here one more example they are given. Subtract the second expression from first. See they are given the expression that is 16x plus 23y plus 12z. Second term is a 9x minus 27y plus 14z is there. And when you are doing the subtraction here also, two arrangement are there or two methods are there. One is a horizontal arrangement and one is a vertical arrangement. And in an exam you can go for any one method for easy for yourself. Okay, but I am showing here both the method, and in exam you can select any one method. See here horizontal arrangement means here you want to write this expression first term as it is 16x plus 23y plus 12z in a one bracket, and outside the bracket here minus, and close the second bracket. In that one you write 9x minus 27y plus 14z. See when you are opening the bracket, that time see first term will become as it is, that is a 16x plus 23y plus 12z will become as it is. But here outside the bracket minus sign, then inner sign will be changed. Then what will come here? This minus will become a plus. Again this plus will become a minus. See when you are opening the bracket, this second bracket when you are opening, that time outside the bracket minus sign is there. That time be careful about that. Here you have to change the sign. And in the next step what to do, you have to collect the like terms. Here 16x like term is a minus 9x plus 23y, their like term is a 27y. Here plus 12z minus 14z. See here in the third step you want to collect the like terms with their sign, and whatever their addition and subtraction will be there, that you want to do it. Then see here 16x minus 9x will come here 7x. Again here 23y plus 27y will come 50y, and here 12z minus 14z. See here 12 minus 14, here plus minus, what to do here? Minus, and a bigger number sign will come, means 14 minus 12 you want to do, what will come here? 2 will come, and bigger number sign means here minus sign will become here. Then this is about the horizontal arrangement. And here see one more arrangement I am showing, that is a vertical arrangement. In a vertical arrangement also, first term you write as it is 16x plus 23y plus 12z you write as it is. In the center you put here minus sign, and here second term 9x minus 27y plus 14z is given. And here see due to this minus sign, this all sign will be changed. Then here see no sign means here plus is there, this plus will become here minus, this minus will become here plus, again this plus will become a minus. And afterwards see when you are considering, when you are adding or subtracting, that time you want to take this sign as a main sign, don't take which are rounded one. Okay, then here see 12z minus 14z, what will come here? Minus 2z. Again plus 23 plus 27 plus 50y will come. Again 16x minus 9x, what will come? 7x. See here they are given, change the sign of every term in the expression to subtracted, then you add the two expressions. See here this way you can go for our practice set number 34. Here very important part is there, outside the minus sign, that whatever the inner sign of that second brackets are there, they will be changed. See here I shown some example of our practice set number 34, and here I taken here in the practice set number 34, first two example I done both this method, horizontal as well as vertical method I shown, and afterwards for third example onward I use here horizontal method only. Okay, to solve the our this practice set number 34. See here I am explaining this first expression of this subtraction, 4xy minus 9z minus inside the bracket 3xy minus 16z. See first will become as it is. When you are opening the bracket, first will become as it is, 4xy minus 9z will be as it is. But when you are opening the second bracket of the second expression, that time outside the bracket minus sign, then inner sign will be changed. See here, minus 3xy plus 16z will come. See, this minus will become a plus. And now afterward in the third steps, we have to collect the like term. Means here see 4xy minus 3xy minus 9z plus 16z. Here see 4xy minus 3xy will come xy, and here minus 9z plus 16z will come plus minus, and that time you have to do the subtraction, and a bigger number sign we have to put it. Means 16 minus 9 will come 7, and bigger number sign will come here, plus 7z will come. And here this example you can solve using our vertical method also. See 4xy minus 9z, here minus sign, and plus 3xy minus 6z. Due to this minus, this plus will become a minus, this minus will become a plus, and afterwards see 9z plus 16z, what will come? Plus 7z. 4xy minus 3xy will come xy. Then like this way, horizontal method as well as vertical method, any one method you can solve this type of subtraction. Okay, then this is about the practice set number 34 you want to complete it. Okay.